What if your shop could do in minutes what used to take hours? For years, structural fabricators have done it the same way. Manual layout, manual coping, hours per beam, and still no guarantee every cut is right. There's a better way. The Gladiator is a 5-axis fiber laser built for structural steel. Beams, columns, channel, and angle, up to 48 inches tall. Load your file, nest your parts, and let it run.
We was cutting all our beams by hand and plasing them. We put a 40-foot W6 beam on there, cut it in 7 different sections, cut, coped, whole 9 yards. Took us roughly 25 minutes. All the cuts were great, specs were good. It's probably at least 10 times faster than what we've been doing it by hand.
The Gladiator doesn't slow down for complex cuts. Bevels, copes, weld preps, hole patterns, the 5-axis head moves through all of it in a single pass. No repositioning, no secondary operations. That's not just speed, that's entire steps removed from your process. What used to need multiple machines and multiple setups now gets done on one, with one continuous process, liberating floor space for other value-added activities. Common cut lines, clean edges, tight tolerances, consistent from the first beam to the last. Your fitters aren't adjusting anything before they weld. Speed that keeps your production moving. Accuracy that keeps your scrap pile empty. Every part comes off the machine ready to weld. Consistent cuts, clean edges, no rework, no measuring twice, no adjusting on the floor. Your team moves faster, and so does your whole shop. This is how you dramatically improve your efficiencies and margins.
I highly suggest if you're building skids or anything that has to do with cut and coping metal, you definitely need one of these.
See what the Gladiator can do for your shop.